west of Germany, around 800, Charlemagne undertook the construction of a sumptuous palace to settle his court and his treasures. Only the chapel remains of this structure. Later, a Gothic cathedral was built around it. The chapel, called Palatine, is an octagonal basilica with a cupola imitating the churches of the Eastern Roman Empire. Charlemagne conceived it around the figure 8, since the number, often present in the Bible, had a profound symbolism. While the Mass were celebrated in front of the faithful on the ground floor, the King of Franks, according to the Byzantine custom of the time, assisted from a tribune above. Positioned on a rich decoration of mosaic, his throne is precious evidence of this custom. The marble throne used during his imperial coronation is not kept in the cathedral, although the memory of the ceremony remains everywhere. Traditionally, emperors of the Holy Roman Empire and Germanic nations were crowned in this chapel. In the Middle Ages, the building was ornate, of precious additions, a spectacular Gothic choir. But the cathedral was also the last residence of Charlemagne. A gilded reliquary contains the bones of the sovereign for eternity. He is represented as the father of two worlds, the secular and the religious. All the power and the glory of Charlemagne are also deployed in the large treasury, which contains the countless pieces created for the coronation ceremony. The King of Franks continues to watch over this magnificent cathedral, classified as a Worldwide Heritage of Humanity by UNESCO since 1978. At the heart of Bavaria, across the main river, extends the city of Würzburg. In this prosperous city, from 1720 to 1744, the Prince-Bishops von Schönborn founded a sumptuous Baroque palace. The building was commenced by Johann Philipp Franz, but he died without being able to reside there. His brother, Friedrich Karl, pursued his work. The patrons entrusted the realization of the residence to a young architect, Balthasar Neumann. The magnificent staircase of honor is a testament of his talent. The decoration of the vault was assigned to an Italian painter, Giambattista Tiepolo. He realized a superb fresco of almost 6,460 square feet. This was the coronation of his career. In the 40 rooms of the building, the Prince-Bishops von Schönborn continued to assert their power and their wealth. Marquetry, furniture, stuccos, and paintings succeeded one another, branding the palace as one of the most beautiful in Germany. It is an authentic European Baroque masterpiece. The style extends to the church, adorned with marbles, sculptures, gilts, and stuccos. In the Oval Room, the ceilings have been decorated by Johann Zick. Even though the painter's work didn't fully satisfy the bishops and was finished by Tiepolo, these magnificent frescoes are clear evidence of his talent. This palace and its magnificent gardens has been inscribed as a Worldwide Heritage of Humanity by UNESCO since 1981.